All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a little cruise in our 1957 Chevy Bel Air with a pretty little, I'd like to say, maroon paint job. This car has a lot of upgrades, including the power windows, fancy door panels, digital gauges. But the way that it's designed, these cars were really meant to just be old classic timer cars. You know how the 57 Chevys were, but this one was built for more than just being a classic. It was made for style. As you can see, it's perfectly painted along the dash. Put an upgraded two-knob retro sound radio in it. Got a tilt steering wheel, which is an aftermarket piece here. Got powerful, good steering, good brakes. Another fine thing that I thought that was good about this car was it has the fuel pump. As you can see to our lower left, I'm going to try to get down there. We have our switches down there which control our fan, control our fuel pump. Got our temperature gauge on the lower left too. Got our little AC vents there, and everything is pretty much upgraded, including the clock that's built in on the side of the dash. So yeah, this car has a lot of good interesting facts to her. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.